What is up, guys? I'm back with another video. In today's video, guys, going to be doing the top 10 best fidget spinner tricks. So, guys, yeah, let's get to it. What we have here is bottles up. Put your spinner on the top and spin it. Would you look at that? It's like magic. Oh my god. Okay, so the next trick is on the dog. The next trick is the bottle cap. You put a bottle on top of your caps and spin it. Would you look at that? The bottle cap. So the next one is, let's play Mario Kart. The next one is a classic. One finger. Oh god. Whoa! What the? Are you serious? Whoa! Whoa! You like this? What? This one's called the RTD2. You gotta learn the hard way, kid. This one's you gotta catch them all. For the next trick, we are gonna do this, and it's gonna be called the split. Oh! Ah! Alright, the next one is the Dark Knight Rises. This one's called Legally Impossible. Ah! Legally Impossible, kids! That's right, boys, you can't tell me nothing. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please drop a like or fidget spinners. Guys, if you want to see more of my videos, click up here and to see more of those guys. And yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. My favorite trick.